Hi B, my name is Mckay Rizzy. I'm a Nigerian by birth. I currently reside in Houston, Texas, United States. I am a veteran. I served the United States Navy for 4 years of my life, and after 4 years of my contract, I decided to try something new because I love trying new things. I decided to become an entrepreneur. I currently run a small business of mine, just lashes. It's something I'm really honestly passionate about. I love anything beauty. Anything beauty and entertainment is something that always brings out something to me. It's like I'm drawn towards beauty, I'm drawn towards entertainment, and that is why I need you, big brother. That is why I need you to make this dream of mine a reality, because I've always seen myself on TV. I've always seen myself on TV. My dad used to call me actress when I was younger. And now is the time for me to pursue this dream of mine on being on Bbnaija. I acknowledge your platform. I know your platform will do so many things for me. And not just that, I promise to bring the drama on your TV screen. I'm gonna keep the audience entertained. I'm a good cook, big brother. I've worked with over 5,000 sailors in my life. So I know what to do to get the people talking. I know what to do to entertain people. And I know what to do to keep the drama rolling. And because of that, big brother, I honestly feel I will be an amazing candidate for Big Brother NAIJA Season 5 to 2020. Thank you, big brother. Bye.